So another little bit of history from our chateau is the Bollée wind turbine. Our wind turbine is a much loved local landmark. Bollée is a German make, and this particular one was manufactured, I think, between 1860 and 1870, and it was actually used to draw the water up from the well, which is hidden in a little building behind the trees. I guess that would have served the whole chateau and all of its staff with water. From the top of the wind turbine, you get some amazing views of the whole area. Just behind the trees is another tower which has an old water tank on the top. So the Bollée wind turbine would suck the water up from the well and pump it up into the tank on what was the old pigeonaire. And obviously from there gravity would feed the water into the chateau. We are now looking at the old pigeonaire. As the name suggests, a place where pigeons were kept. This building probably dates from the 17th or the 18th century. Pigeons were kept for food, and the droppings made great fertiliser. In the late 1800s, it was converted into a water tower, with the iron tank being built on the top. Let's go inside and have a look at it. So here you can see the old pipes. We're taking the water either in or out, I have no idea which. There's a tunnel down here where pipes continue along to the wind turbine, and these beautiful great big things here I think are some sort of supports for the actual building and the floor in it. We're going to convert this into accommodation for about 8 people with 4 ensuite bedrooms and a beautiful glass atrium on the top. Let's now have a look inside the little cottage next door to the pigeonaire. Where we're standing now is in the little cottage next to the windmill. This cottage was used for making bread and doing the laundry. So here to my left, this is the old bread oven. Fire underneath it, and inside they would put the bread, cook the bread in there. Over here on this side we have a fire where they would have boiled water, ready to do the washing of the clothes, all the laundry in this big bathtub here. Well, that is it for this episode. I hope that you have all enjoyed looking around these buildings, and I'm looking forward to showing you some more of Chateau in a future episode. If you have enjoyed watching this video, why not click on the subscribe button that has just appeared. Also, check out our Patreon page in the link below. On there, you will find other ways in which you can help and support us in our project. It really does mean a great deal to us that you are interested in Chateau and preserving its wonderful history. Thank you.